How to merge videos on iPhone. So first things first, make sure you have iMovie installed on your phone. If you don't, go ahead to the App Store and download that. Currently, you should just have it by default just because you have an iPhone. So go to iMovie, wherever it is on your phone. And what you want to do is start a new project and go ahead and click Movie. Select the movies that you want to put in. So I'm going to select those, and then at the very bottom, hit Create Movie. So from here, you have both of your videos here, and what iMovie can do for you is actually, if you select a clip, you can split and detach. You can mess with the transitions. You can hit split. You can go ahead and detach any audio from the video itself. You can duplicate the clip if you really want to. You can click and hold what's in between here and have different types of transitions. So what we can do is choose one of these and then go and play it and see how it looks. As you see, it's a different type of transition. And that's it. It's very easy to do. And once you're satisfied with this, go ahead and hit done at the top left-hand corner. And then you can go ahead to the share button at the very bottom. And then save or share video or export project. I'm just going to hit save. And then you can go ahead and just hit save video so it renders and saves to your photo gallery by itself. And there you go. It was exported to your photo library. And that's it. Hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.